menu is stir-fry beef broccoli, wherein the beef is sliced thinly into a bite size or pieces and originates from a Chinese dish that you can actually use any vegetables or combination you wish for.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because...
So what I'm gonna do is to prepare all the ingredients needed so that I don't have to rush up. Slice the beef thinly into a bite size or cut according to your preferred size. Chop the garlic into a mince, followed by the onion, and followed by the ginger, cut into a square. It's time for the beef to marinate. In bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. And mix it all together. Combine all the ingredients. Add 1 piece of fresh egg, and mix it properly. Keep on mixing until all the ingredients are properly blended and marinate for at least 30 minutes. While waiting for the marinated beef, let's prepare the vegetable. Onion into this size. Cut the bell pepper or capsicum, whatever shape you want. Make sure to remove the seeds. I cut my capsicum into a strip like this. Capsicum is an optional in this menu, but I love seeing my menu to look very vibrant, so I use it a lot and it's my favorite. Green chili is an optional. There's no right or wrong when choosing your own vegetables. You can add what you wish for. I use 2 heads of broccoli. Broccoli is the main vegetable in this menu, so it is a must-have even without other vegetables. Is now ready. 1 piece red capsicum, 1 piece yellow capsicum, 1 piece onion, 2 pieces green chili, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 4 leaves spring onion, thumb size of ginger, and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. For the broccoli, prepare the water, bring to a boil, pour the broccoli into the boiling water, simmer for at least a minute. Or bring to a boil once more. Once done, remove from the boiling water. And blanch it to the ice water to preserve the freshness, look, and crunchiness. Heat the pan and add at least 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Pour the remaining half of the garlic from marination. And you can add the onion. Add the ginger. Start to stir fry the beef. Leave it for a while until the color change. Once the color changes, flip it to the other side. Leave it for 2 minutes in both sides. Once both sides are evenly cooked, you can mix it all together. Add the black pepper. Add garlic and onion powder. This is an optional. Mix all the spices together. This texture signals that the beef is already well done. As you can see, the spices are fully blended, looking shiny, and the beef are brownish in color. The smell is so good. Once done, transfer and set aside. Now let's stir fry the vegetables. In the same pan, pour and heat the oil. I use the fat stem of spring onion as fragrance to the oil. I add capsicum. I love to use as one veggies in my cooking due to very colorful effect. Add green chilli is an optional. Then add the drained broccoli from the cold water. Add the remaining half of soy sauce from marination. Again, garlic and onion powder is an optional. Add black pepper. And carefully stir it. Add a little bit of oyster sauce. Do not overmix the vegetables. Put aside to have space for the beef. So combine the beef and vegetable and mix together. Combine all together for a minute. Lastly, add the spring onion. The beef has a corn flour, so it will help to thicken the remaining sauce from the vegetables. Transfer it and ready to serve. Look at the very colorful and fresh looking effect of the vegetables. This is what I want to achieve in my recipe. I hope guys you've learned from it. See you in my next video.